This ingredient is very simple and it's very effective. If you want to know how you can lose weight, or if you want to lose weight, or you are tired of fat and you want to lose weight, this ingredient is going to be for you. And it's very simple to make. So if you want to know what this ingredient will be, please don't go away, continue watching. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Also turn on the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that whenever I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. Share this video with your friends, with your loved ones, and with your family. If you are new in this channel, you are most welcome. God bless you. And check out other my video. I have amazing and interesting video that you will benefit and learn from it. Thank you, and let's jump into it. So I will be needing my cinnamon powder. This is a ground cinnamon. So what you will do is just to take some of the cinnamon inside, just scoop a spoon of cinnamon, then you put it inside. So I have hot water here which I have boiled, so I'm going to add hot water to it. I'm going to stir it. So you let it sit for a while. So as you can see, after it sits for like some seconds, so this one has dropped down. You can see that it's separated. So it has dropped down. So you have to strain it into another cup. So I'm going to strain it to another cup. So I finished straining my tea, as you can see. So I'm just gonna add honey. So you add honey so that you can. So I'm gonna add a spoon of honey. I'm just gonna drop the honey inside. States. This tea will help you lose weight. You drink this tea every morning before taking breakfast. You don't drink it after breakfast. Before breakfast, you take this tea and you keep on doing it every day. In 2 weeks, you will see that you have lose weight. If you check, you see you lose a lot of weight. So do it and drink it every morning before breakfast. So if you can do this every day, it's going to be effective. So that is the simple way to make this tea. So you can drink this tea anytime. There is no side effect on this tea. It is pure ground cinnamon, so there is no side effect. Anywhere you can get a cinnamon powder, or if you get the cinnamon stick also, you can cook the stick and just put it inside water and cook it. Then you come out with the water will change to a brownish color like this. Then you add your honey and you are good to go. And it will help you lose weight. Very simple to make, and there's no stress about this. So if you lose weight, drop a comment below and let me know what you think about this drink. Thank you for taking your time to watch this. God bless you. Bye. So guys, that is the end of this video. If you know you find this video helpful and useful, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. I upload video almost every day on this channel. Check out all of my videos. They're amazing and interesting videos. I believe you will benefit from it. Also share to help people that really need this. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. God bless you. Bye.